to some of my craft. No, some of the whoo. Ow! Then I count to 100 3 times.
Do it. Do it right now if you know.
Okay. I just want to get out of the car, but I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
First I count.
Where are you going?
First I'm gonna count to 10.
Okay, you stay there.
I'm gonna count to 100. Okay.
Wait, but wait. What are you doing?
Now can I do it? Can I do it?
Doing what? Count or what?
Count.
Okay, you do. But stay in one place.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Then do 200. 110, 120, just like that.
No!
Okay, you do
I'm
it.
gonna count to 1 first. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna take forever.
I told you
5,
no.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
50.
I know, 50, 51,
Okay.
52, 53, 54, 55, 56.
I told you to stay in one place.
58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Congratulations, baby.
I'm gonna do that at school when I come back at school.
Yeah, that's so beautiful. So
Yeah,
can you sing
I only counted. I forgot one more at school.
what?
And I don't know. I forgot it. It's 30. And I say 40. And it was 30, so I got it wrong. So I got back to go sit down in front of people.
Mm-hmm.
My friends, because they always praise me. But when they're running in school, our teacher says sit down. And they get checks.
What? When they get?
A check and they put their head down.
Oh, okay. So you are.
And they don't get to play.
Oh. So can you sing for your friends?
Yeah, so you don't have to be bad at school.
Yeah, you don't have to. So can you sing for your friends? Like, do you know the song you can sing for your friends?
No.
Why? So what can you do for your friends so that they can be happy?
I can ask them which song.
Oh, And then when you know the song, you can sing for them.
Yeah, but you gotta get your camera out.
Where?
Yeah, when I'm singing.
Yeah, I can't. So you don't want to be on camera
I do.
when you're singing?
Yes. I like this flower.
So let me ask
I like
you.
the flower because they have seeds in it, but they're not good. Then you can't eat this. You only can play with them like that.
Yeah.
So I need to grab them. I can't get them lost. Cause I always put them out of that thing, this thing, and it's really taller than I'm taller than the flowers, but I'm taller than 2-year-olds or 4-year-olds or 5-year-olds. But Donnie is 6 and I'm 6, so we're the same height.
No, that is maybe 5. I don't know.
No, he said he's 6.
He
No,
was
he
lying,
says
maybe.
he said he's 100.
Nobody's 100 right now.
Yeah, only when you grow up and turn to.
When you become older.
Yeah.
When you do
I
what?
got gray hair.
What you did?
What?
You were showing like how old people are. Like.
Yeah, like walking. Yeah.
So how their face be like? That way.
Donnie always liked to sit next to me in the same chair, like this one and this one. But Judy sit.
Why are you running?
Cause I'm showing you chair. Donnie likes to sit in the same chair like me. Judy doesn't. Those two are the same, but these two are here, so the same. But you know what happened to the big chair? It broke, cause we was playing a Roblox, and then the chair, and then it was shaking like that, and then Moses slapped us, and then he told us to get out of the chair and sit in this one.
But who asked you that?
I just know it.
Oh, you wanna entertain your friends here on camera?
Yeah, when Sandine happens, when I go to Donnie's house, and when you go to their house, Mom will pick me up, and when you go to yeah. But I like going to Donnie's house, and then I like Donnie coming over. And
Yeah, I like that too.
I don't know why he doesn't come anymore.
So let me ask you this question: what if you on TV right now? What you gonna say? You on TV right now?
Yeah, the camera.
Oh, that's good. So people behind the camera, they want you to do something funny so that they can laugh at their
Yeah, I make you laugh because
No, I didn't laugh.
Because Moses slap us. See? See, he laughed. I told you. But look, these are not the same color in the back. This one don't say something. This one say something.
Are you serious? Everything, I think
This
every.
is tiny. This is big.
Which one? Which one is
This
tiny? Which one is
big letters. This tiny letter, and I can't even see the numbers on it.
But you can't read. Can you read?
I can't read. At school, I read books, and I know how to read them, but at home, I don't. I don't know.
Why you keep moving like that?
It's different. It's different. Some I don't know how to read, some I do know how to read. So I don't know if I know how to read, but I know how to read at school right here.
That's true.
But at home right here,
Mm-hmm.
and at school over there. And we always do groups 2 times, and we go to recess outside. We play in the snow. We throw snow at each other.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah. And in the bus, it's noisy in my bus.
It's not easy.
People scream in the bus.
Why they scream?
Because they're screaming for... They're talking to another people and they're screaming. Another people is in front of another people when he can hear him.
Oh.
But he's screaming. It's funny.
But you're funny too.
Can I tell you something about Judy?
Yeah, tell me.
Judy keeps talking about balloons.
Wait.
And the yellow one and the confetti one was.
Let me tell you this. You look like
confetti.
you look like
And
someone.
the blue one and the golden one was a star. The star.
That's why I saw them.
I said to Judy, stop popping, and he didn't listen. Pop.
Let me tell you how you
That
look.
one and that one.
Yeah.
And
Can you stop? Cause I want to tell you something. You look like someone who is preaching.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah, tell me, baby.
Judy threw this in the garbage, the blue one.
Wow.
Cause I was playing with them and then Judy ripped them.
That was not
And
even
he
good.
threw them. And
What?
he threw them away in there.
Okay, now we done.
Can I tell you something? One more.
Yeah.
I like to bring the car upstairs in my room because I like to drive them. I like to play with them. I put my stuff over here. I put my phone over here so I can watch. And I just do like this. I do like that when I'm driving. Like this. Like this.
I see. So you done?
Yeah.
You done? Okay.
Yeah.
Tell people something. Say, like you are saying goodbye to them. Tell them something.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching
Thank you for watching.
my story.
My story is so funny that I always laugh. He's ticklish. I'm not ticklish. I'm ticklish in here.
Where are you ticklish? Where?
In here. I'm not ticklish in here anymore. Or here. Here. Or here.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Friends, bye.
Bye, friends. I hope you feel good.
Okay.